Nice beautiful morning in Sevilla. This area, part of Lawrence of Arabia, the movie, was filmed. It's just beautiful. Another beautiful street near the cathedral. The cathedral, so beautiful. Wow. Little breakfast time breakfast time in Sevilla, Spain. French toast.
Too fast. What?
Getting fit even while on vacation. This is where we stayed last night. They're slaying geocaches, Spanish style.
8.
Nice little park in central Sevilla. Look at the city, how expansive it is this way. Here we are in this public art display. The Setas. Pretty cool, huh? Cool bridge.
Immersive experience at Las Setas. We remind you that the recording of images during the projection
Check out this place.
Wow, that's cool.
The stained glass. Sevilla. You almost got hit by an orange from that orange tree. The Patio de Banderas. Sevilla is still not disappointing. So good. to the fountain.
Inside the.
So this was actually a city of Theed on the planet of Naboo in Star Wars Episode 2. Seven below, 4 a.m. in Sweden, but boom, a geocache. Ricky wearing shorts. And we're just getting to the hotel and breakfast is set up.
Oh God, this is nice. Can't tell it.
We're in the winter wonderland of Sweden. We got about 2 hours and 15 minutes of sleep. Now we're heading back home to the winter wonderland of Wisconsin.
Pizza for breakfast. I got a bag full of peppers and cucumbers.
Nice. Yes. Swedish treats.